Hello guys, welcome to Avina Solutions. Today, our discussion about what is the best solution for the recursive problem. Yesterday we have discussion about the what is the recursive trigger, and we are intentionally create one recursive trigger in the Apex classes. So right now we are solving how to override or how to overcome or how to achieve this recursive problem with the best solution. So let me open my arc for that for this. So recursive problem is a occurs. So here we are doing the so basically the previous video this recursive trigger this trigger logic is executed whenever the account record is inserted, then automatically create one contact record. So here we are visually create one account record and account object. So that's why this apex logic is executed automatically. So again, after creating one record an account object, we are programmatically create one account object, account record and account object. So indirectly we are calling this trigger logic and again. So initially we are trigger this point whenever we create the record and account object visually. So initially this is the trigger point. Then after that we programmatically create one more account account record. Then we indirectly calling this trigger logic infinitely. So right now we have to overcome or we have to find out a best solution. So I think already you aware of this concept static. Static is a keyword which is same as which is belongs to the entire apex class. So if we kept integer dot number one equal to one, so it has some access. It has some scope. It is a class level scope or mother level scope. It has some scopes, but we can define a variable with the keyword called static. It has a class level scope, so that variable can be used at the class level. So that is same as entire the static variable is same as entire class. So for by using a static variable, we can overcome this recursive problem. So how can we create on static variable with a Boolean expression? So public static keyword. I'm going to use static keyword. So indirectly we are creating the without creating the object, we are allocating the memory for the Boolean expression. So that is the power of static keyword, and this is the one of the feature. And also if we use the static keyword, it has a class level scope. So this value is same for the entire class. So Boolean is already executed equal to false. So it is for the only. So what is the problem? Unexpected token, invalid type. There is no. I think there is no problem. So right now we are using the one static variable. So before going to insert one more account programmatically, we are just checking the if insertion operation is already done is not. So is already executed. Copy is already executed is double equal to false. Then insert this operation. Copy. So is already executed equal to false. So initially we are assigning this already executed variable as a false, so then definitely it will enter into this record, and account.acc equal to new account, then Avinya Solutions, it will again inserted one account record on Salesforce database, and it makes insertion operation again and again. Trigger logic will be executed again. This trigger logic is executed. So right now we are doing some more work. So now we are performing the one of the most important task. So now we are putting this variable as true. So whenever the loop comes, it traces in the second time. So this variable set as true. So this condition does not satisfy. So it does not perform any insertion operation. It will skip this insertion operation. In this way, we can override this. In this way, we can override this recursive problem in Apex classes. So let me save this. False variable does not exit. Yeah, let me save this. I think we are override recursive problem. So for let me check. So I'm going to create one record an account. So it is Avinya Solutions. Avinya Solutions. I think we are successfully creating a maximum trigger. So let me refresh this page. Reload. And then create Avinya. Avinya. So the same problem. What is the problem? Is already executed true. Then so we are set this variable as okay. I think the problem is resolved, but why this happen again and again? Let me check. Let me save this one more time, and again we perform. So let me hard refresh. Let me see what is the problem. Is already executed. So insert ACC is already executed true. Yes. So let me comment this. So here is the one way we can resolve this issue. So whenever we perform some database insertion, so this will stop. So then it variable the account. So indirectly we perform some database operation. Then after that it will change the is already executed variable from false to true condition. So then it will update it to the is already executed is now become true, and it will not enter into this loop. So let me see. Then yeah. So in this way we can overcome this recursive trigger. So what I am done is, so if one insertion operation is done, then I will change the state of this is already executed variable from false to true condition. So then it becomes true. So it has a class level scope. So it is same as the entire class. So then after that, it will check the is already executed is double equals to false. I mean equals to false. So it will, the statement returns the if statement returns the true, false condition. Then it will not the logic, whatever the logic inside this if condition, it is not executed. Then it simply skip this logic. So in this way we can achieve this trigger recursive problem with public static void, means static variable, one static boolean variable. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please ping your doubts in comment section. uh, thank you for watching.